Welcome to another video. In this video we'll talk about rulers, why you need it, how to use it, and why they are important. Let's move over to our canvas. As you can see, the rulers are on the left hand side and at the top, vertical or horizontally. And they're great for really one purpose, to determine where you are in your canvas when you are displaying elements and you want to adjust them as per their location. They're great for that. However, when you first create a project, your rulers may be hidden like that, and you may be like, okay, well, where is it? So what you do is you click over View and you say Show Rulers, okay, and the rulers will appear. Now, another one thing that you need to be mindful of, and I've covered this in a separate video, so I will cover it briefly here. They will help you create guidelines. So again, if you click on View and do Show Guidelines, rulers are a great way to create guidelines. And guidelines are a great way to pinpoint your own elements wherever you want to adjust them. Okay, so that's kind of rulers in a nutshell. If you can't see it, click on View and then do Hide Rulers. And if you want to view it again, do Show Rulers. And there are a few little options here as well. You can hide guidelines. You can, show boundaries. That's really important as well. If you want to show boundaries for all your strips, and you can hide boundaries here as well. Yeah, and if you can't see the rulers, be sure to go View, do Hide Rulers if you want to hide it, Show if you want to show it, and that's it. And really, the ruler is such a handy functionality when it comes to design and even just the initial build.